All right, folks, gather around because today I'm sharing a recipe that's going to blow your mind. We're talking about guilt-free chocolate brownies. Yes, you heard that right. Delicious, chocolatey, and healthy brownies you can make right at home. Let's get into it. First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, while that's heating up, let's talk ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of almond flour, 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of coconut sugar, 1/4 cup of melted coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of dark chocolate chips. Got everything? Great. Now grab a large bowl and combine the almond flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. Give it a good whisk until it's all mixed together. Next, in a separate bowl, mix the coconut sugar, melted coconut oil, and vanilla extract. Whisk those until they're well combined. Then, add the eggs one at a time, making sure to mix thoroughly after each addition. Now it's time to bring it all together. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, stirring until you get a smooth batter. Then, fold in those dark chocolate chips. This is where the magic happens. Grab an 8x 8-inch baking pan and line it with parchment paper. Pour the batter into the pan and spread it out evenly. Pop it into the oven and bake for about 20-25 minutes. You want the edges to be set, but the center should still be a little gooey. That's how you know you've got perfect brownies. While they're baking, let's talk about why these brownies are guilt-free. Almond flour is a fantastic alternative to regular flour. It's gluten-free and packed with nutrients. Coconut sugar is a natural sweetener that's lower on the glycemic index than regular sugar, so it'll help keep your blood sugar levels stable. And of course, dark chocolate chips add that rich, chocolatey flavor without all the added sugar. Once your brownies are done, let them cool in the pan for about 10 minutes before lifting them out using the parchment paper. Cut them into squares and boom, you've got yourself a batch of guilt-free chocolate brownies. These brownies are perfect for any occasion, whether it's a family gathering, a snack to satisfy your sweet tooth, or even a post-workout treat. They're so good you won't believe they're healthy. And there you have it, folks. A simple, delicious, and guilt-free chocolate brownie recipe you can make at home. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments. Happy baking!